In today's video, I would like to share to you sweet stew in coconut milk or vinaigrette. These are all the ingredients. Add sticky rice. Add sliced banana. Cook for 3 more minutes. Add coconut milk. Add brown sugar. Add glutinous rice ball. Stirring occasionally until tender for 3 minutes. This is my sweet stew in coconut milk and glutinous rice or vinaigrette. Thank you for watching.